Hi everyone, welcome to challenge number 5. ABC is a 3-digit number such that A less than B less than or equal to C. Find the number of such possible 3-digit numbers ABC. ABC is a 3-digit number. What are the possible values that A can take? A can take the values 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. It cannot take the value 0 because if it takes the value 0, ABC would become a 2-digit number. Hence the possible values of A are 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. Let us put A is equal to 1 and let us see how many possible values are possible 3-digit numbers are possible. The condition between A and B is that A is less than B. So when A is equal to 1, B can take the values 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9. Now what is the relationship between B and C? B is less than or equal to C. So when B is equal to 2, what are the possible values that C can take? 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9. So the total possible numbers are 8 numbers. Similarly, when B is equal to 3, the possible values of C are 3, 4, 5, so on up to 9. 7 numbers. And when B is equal to 4, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 numbers. Extending the same logic, when B is equal to 8, the possible values of C are 8 and 9. 2 possibilities. And when B is equal to 9, there is just one possibility. So when A is equal to 1, we have the possibilities 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 8. So when A is equal to 1, the number of possible values of the 3-digit number ABC is 1 plus 2 plus so on up to plus 8. That is what we have just seen. The total is equal to 36. Similarly, we can calculate the values for A is equal to 2, A is equal to 3, A is equal to 4, and so on up to A is equal to 9. So the total possible values of ABC satisfying the given condition is 36 plus 28 plus 21 plus 15 plus so on up to plus 0, and that is equal to 120. So the total possible 3-digit numbers ABC satisfying the given conditions is 120.